Welcome to how to install, I should say, Avast, the free version. First thing we want to do is open our Internet Explorer and we're going to go to Avast.com. There's confusion at times on where you need to type the address to go somewhere. So I'm going to point out this to a couple of parts of the Internet browser. The top part, this bar up here that you can actually um, see where it says Windows Internet Explorer. This is called the title bar. Right directly below that, you will have the address bar. When you click in it, you will notice the address will be completely highlighted. This is the address bar where you would go to whatever site you're going to want to go to. In this particular case, it is avast.com. So we're going to type avast.com, hit the enter bar, and we'll arrive at our page. Now, we're not going to be able to download directly from this page, and this is where the confusion many times starts. So, making this video, and for those of you that are a little bit wiser on the computer, I apologize. This is a training video, and it is quite simplified, and I'm doing that for a reason. And that reason is because there are many people that are new to the internet, new to using a computer, and they're just starting out. So bear with me if you wish to watch this training video or move on to another training video that is more up to your speed. Okay, we'd like to continue now. We're going to click on the Avast free antivirus, and this is going to take us to a new page. And this page basically is just a sales page that explains to you the different products. But we're dealing with the free product, so we're going to go right down and click on download. Again, we're going to get a quick advertisement. Let's click on no thanks. I want the free protection. And this brings us to a download page that can be quite confusing simply by the ads that are surrounding. Here, another one over here that says start download, and many times people will click on that because it says start download. But if we go over here, we look, this is where we want to be. Download Avast free antivirus. So let's click on that. Again, it takes us to a new page and more ads, okay? Another thing that you may have not noticed was this security bar. See how it turns blue when you put your mouse on that? That dropped down. We'll do that again by backing up. Click on download now and watch the security bar drop down. There it comes down, okay? This is where you want to create your download. You can right click here. You'll see that it comes to download file. If this security bar does not come up on your browser, then it may have been inadvertently turned off, or you may have your security settings changed to a different value. If that be the case, you can go down to this next line here where it says no download. Check your browser security bar at the top of the page, and of course I've already pointed that out here. Or you can download by click here. So when you click here, you'll get the same thing. You'll get to download, and you want to click on save. If you're at your desktop, fine, you want to save it on your desktop. Many times when you click on the save, it may not be on the desktop. You may be in another folder, say your music folder, okay? When you come to this part and you want to download to your desktop for a reason, so that you don't lose the file, you can use it to install and then delete the file after using it. So you can simply click here on the desktop. It's going to take you back to the desktop, and click on the save, and this is where we're going to get the download. As you can see, this is a small download. That's not because the software is small. It's because this file is actually another file that will create the download and unpack it. Now after this download is completed, you can go ahead and close your Explorer, and then we want to run the install file. Click on the run, a new button will come up, click on that run as well, it unpacks, and then the install will come up. The first thing that we're looking at is what language you want to install it in. Of course, we're going to go with English unless you want to choose a different language. Now, this is another one that can be confusing, and you wind up with new items on your computer if you don't pay attention here. Um, the installation options. Express installation with free web browser Google Chrome. We don't want the Google Chrome. We simply want the Avast free. So let's go down, click on this, Express installation without Google Chrome. Okay. You might even want to uncheck this, make Google Chrome my default browser. Participate in Avast community. That's a good one to have. So leave that one checked. Hit next, and it's going to begin the installation. So now we've downloaded the product onto your desktop. Here it is over here. This is the actual file we downloaded, and it's installing. Forgive me if I go a little fast. The YouTube videos are limited to 10 minutes. I'm approaching a little over 6 right now. So I found that every time that I do a video, it runs a little long. So I'm trying to work this one in to be within a 10-minute limit and not have to do several different videos. Okay, setup is finished. The installation is successfully completed. You can see down here you have your new Avast icon. So click your finish. The computer security risk that pops up, you can ignore that. It tells you that Avast is out of date. Well, of course it is. We just installed it, and it hasn't had a chance to update yet. All right. What you need to do at this point in time is right-click on the Avast and click on Open the User Interface. For some reason, you have to do this twice. The next thing, go to your settings and then to Updates. After that, and by the way, if I'm going too fast, don't be afraid to pause this video and then work with it, okay? Go to your updates and look at your program here. It is not checked for automatic updates. Let's check that so that your program will update automatically. The next thing that you want to do is go to your registration by clicking on maintenance and then registration. Click register now. Again, you're going to get a little bit of an ad, but this is going to be the last ad that you're going to see for over a year. Click on register and input your name here. You can simply put your first name and then your email address, and it needs to be a personal email address, by the way. You cannot use a business email address because this is limited to personal home use only. The next thing you want to do is change your state. It's set for USA, Alabama, so it's easy to scroll down to your state. In this particular case, it's Florida, and there is a reason for doing that. That's so that if you encounter a virus, it will limit it to the knowledge base and the database of where the particular viruses are coming from. So now you can see that it says thank you for registering. You look at your registration. It will expire in a year from now. Congratulations, you have now fully installed Avast free version. You can close this. You'll notice that your Avast icon is now down by the clock. You have a new Avast antivirus on your desktop, and now you can delete the install file by dragging it into the recycle bin. Of course, right click on the recycle bin and empty it, and that's it. You've got Avast installed on your computer. The next video that I do will be how to set up the Avast so that it will automatically scan your computer. Thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. And if you need any computer help in Brevard County, please call Mike's PC support at 321-652-5630. Thank you.